Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on the video. If you're new here, welcome in. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. So today, Rada came to visit us on the property, as well as we're going to be taking you into beautiful Port Antonio. Remember, if there's ever anything you would like to see in an up and coming vlog, drop a comment down below and let me know. Now let's get into the video.
No, when I tell you, when I tell you this, to make you feel we're discouraged, we have to tell you reality, right? You see, whether if I too much rain, too much dry, disease take you, market problem, thief coming from you, there's so much factors, you understand? Alright, one of the things, we just have a look in general, and just put myself in a more position. You really want to farm to start generate one income. Because when you have your income and spend to find it a good on, you will get discouraged as well too. Because you make the money to really compensate. But with that goal, you start prepare to plant. In spring, but now would not be good. You understand about today, Yeah. And the plastic mulch now, it will not do you no justice. Because the onion, what you want the population. The plastic mulch, it will limit you. Because how you want to plant the onion, you want to know, say, you prepare like a, no, you can't prepare like a 4 to 5 feet bed. You can't go as far as a 5 feet bed, because you know, at least you can sleep on the side and touch 2.5 feet. Yes, sir. So you can prepare like a 5 feet bed, right? You prepare the bed, on top of the bed, you want to make at least say 6 to about 8 rows, little drills on the bed itself.
That's the bed that we would have used.
Yeah,
would I maybe go without the plastic now, because when I get the plastic mulch yet, but we could have directly do up the bed then with that.
It's a bad idea, but you never have no experience with that. I wonder now if it would have.
The circumference of the board.
Directly. The circumference. What the circumference would that be? Because even the Irish itself, the onion itself,
But I think you'd have a problem because I say it come up over plastic to bulge. Right?
The plastic, the plant will leave a big enough hole that when it emerges, it just come right up through the hole.
Okay. I just try everything then because I have no experience with things like that. So I try to visualize it as much as possible.
Let see if I can find
Okay.
You just stick on your line,
Okay.
Whether it be plastic or direct earth, it no matter.
Yeah.
You stick on your line and you put in the seed then.
Yeah.
So if a plastic, you bust the plastic and put it down in there.
Put in the seed and just cover it. I put it in that back and cover it. Right. I know for the black fruit, you don't have to have it clean like you just want it. You don't have it clean like you don't, you just want it.
Right,
Where you can
go and
draw hard and where you can,
It's not bad, like it could. Alright, you surround it, it basically reach your waist. So it's not that bad.
So I'm in the car sending things over to my laptop because my storage is always full on my phone. Rada is here and I cannot get all the video because my phone keeps saying storage full. Please support the channel for more content. Watch the ads, even if it's just 30 seconds of the ads. Please watch the ads and let the video run as long as possible. Thank you. Back to what we were doing though. Back to that. Let's go back outside.
Irish or something like this. When it starts spoil, the whole place smell like doodoo. I mean, when you go pull them with a hand, it really smell bad, right? The right way to really store them still, have them in a plate to cover. Yeah, the right way. But you can do your best you can roll it. You see the greatest thing is spread out.
And the ear go through it.
You understand? Alright. So when time I for plant, you have to
broke off then there.
Yeah. Because them would have be a week sprout, you understand?
So just put them off.
sprout.
Right now, you can break off some of them just in case when they resprout. So by the time you finish, them ready for going on.
Yeah. Alright, we know that make
Break them.
Ryan broke them off.
Yeah, that's a good idea. That.
Let them sprout again, fresh sprout.
Yeah.
How deep you recommend them?
Right.
Well, if true time I tell you, now if you go more than say call about a foot to 15 inches. The farrow.
The furrow?
The farrow. But you got to plant them in the farrow. But you not plant them more than about 2.5 inches.
When we prepare the bed,
Yeah.
level and nice, because I get it level and nice. You need to have time with that show. You want to furrow it first?
Yeah.
And then drop them in?
You got to plant it, you know. You
No,
plant
in down in
In
there.
the farrow.
Alright.
In the farrow itself, no. And all you have to do, you know, when I plant the farrow, you know, when I put it, I just like 1 inch of soil, you know. Just want to buy it, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Because I you know. Yes,
So you know I got my bed then or up there with it on it?
No, man.
No. But you see, anything you done more. Alright, guess what I think I know. In here, so going to be the farrow, right? Take up the
Alright, that's how the furrow.
Say that's the farrow,
Mm-hmm.
right? That's on the lower end where you're walking.
Right,
Right?
walking.
You're going to have a rise come up here. So.
Right, and
Yes,
one-
called ESO, the ridge.
Right, and one
Right.
on the side there.
And one on the side that ride up like so.
Mm-hmm.
So you're going to plant in another place that look like
Okay,
the farrow.
Right,
You're
right.
going to plant them in the farrow. No. You see, later on now, like about the next 4 or 5 weeks, you're going to do molding. So you see, half of this, I'm going to compound this. Half of over here, so I'm going to come here, so. Half of over this, I'll come here, so. So when you're done, you're going to see all the earth you plant, depend on the ridge. So the ridge are going to become a farrow, and the farrow are going to become a ridge. Anytime you're done mold.
Get you.
Yeah.
Get
So
you, get you.
you will see an extra
Because when you mold, me actually are drawing them ridge.
Yeah, yeah. So you will see an established field, and it look like, say, upon the ridge them plant,
But
no, I know farrow. After the molding, the farrow turn the ridge and the ridge turn farrow.
Okay.
So put it away. See where did I plant?
Mm-hmm.
Or where did I walk with the way plant the Irish? Yeah, walk over here. So.
Over there, sir. Alright. Get you, man. Get you.
So we're running again, yeah?
Me I go basically make you know when I'm ready for plant.
Alright,
Yeah?
Or even you can show
Because
me.
when I done plant, I spray down with the doctor, right?
No, that's
Don't use the doctor, I can't use pearl still. Because pearl is a free emergency, but Irish.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Before them, you can show me.
Show it to
Come come and see what I'm going.
Alright, no problem.
You really want to feel established out.
Yeah, man.
Like, you know, we don't want to boy by, you know,
Mm-hmm.
next year or so. You know, at least we, you know, if you want to farm, but you can come show outside people, say, you know, look on the farm, you know?
And ask him. That me tell him some more, like a model farm, you know?
Yeah.
You can tell people and say, look at this.
Yeah.
You know, I'm going to get some of them intern here today, you know, them can come on.
Yeah,
Spend some time on the farm.
It's a good time, you know?
I'm not going to let them down, trust me. You know? Because the plan is to get Portland production up.
Yeah, definitely.
That's how we want to do. You know? That's how we want to get up the production in Portland, you know? Alright, so we depend on it. So you have your driver.
Yeah, man.
Alright, thanks again. Here?
Yeah, man. It's not
Yeah, man. Okay, students. Have you learned something today? Okay.
Okay, so Rada is gone, and the whole time they're talking, once I saw these bananas, I was like, I cannot wait to get one of those bananas. I'm gonna eat one right now. Okay, so now we're gonna go into town, go to Portland town, and go do some grocery shopping. I guess we're going to Ramtula. I think we're going to Freshco. I don't know which one we're gonna go to, but yeah. What do you want, sugar? Excuse me, Biggie. What you said? What? Anyway, throw back. We're in Port Antonio, so that's a cute car. Oh yeah. We're just getting some stuff from the market down here.
How much for the tomato? $600.
So over here they have the tomato for 500. She had it for 600.
These are nice.
These ones prettier? Oh, okay. So foreign tomatoes.
You want to it?
Actually, one, but we're going to like mango.
2 pounds per plum.
2 pounds per plum. Bad man, look there, that was one.
Are you eating a lot of tomatoes?
Yes, we're eating a lot of tomatoes.
What are you doing with the tomatoes?
I'm going to be eating them.
Okay, you don't have no plan. You just know you're gonna eat
I'm
them.
going to be cutting them up with a lot of beans. Eat them raw. In my salad. Yeah, some juice now. Try me. You can make the soup. You can make tomato soup. Very.
Yeah. Just gonna weigh that.
You can pound into ginger.
Ginger. 700.
Ginger 700. Tomato 500 a pound.
I went into the supermarket yesterday. It was $795 a pound. And what's that place? I think I picked up 3 of them. Two bone carrots, I guess 2 pounds.
You want the sweet pepper?
Yeah, oh yeah. A pound.
Just take up where.
These look nice.
So I get a lot for a pound. And it's like
Alright guys, so this is Dwayne. You can find him out here. Selling right out here by the tower. Market Lane. Calculating the total bill now. Got lots of fresh produce down here.
I have scallion. I have time. My time is right.
I know you work for first time.
6,005 and then
500.
okay,
7,057.
I'm saying thank you because after I shop, this is my gift.
Aww, that's my gift. Give it to me. Go do it to her for me.
It's this beautiful youngness.
Thank you. Yeah, no, and you know, look at her. She's still grabbing up more stuff.
Healthy eating. You know what? See, when you're in your part of this area, they can't drink because look at that. He has the right there.
Oh.
And like, I guess nobody can touch it.
Yeah, because everybody know him.
They probably run them down.
If they try to steal his money,
Because
yeah.
I mean, it's right there. The guy opened it a while ago to take some money out. And you just see all this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, as long as you're from the community, you're safe.
They're not going to touch it.
Yeah. Are doing? Say bye. What is the name of the road was again?
Lower William Street, Market Lane, New York, New York.
Thank you. See you again. These are nice.
Yeah, I'll try some of this.
Hello.
Huh? I don't, are these good? Yeah, ma. Make sure you know. Say the price. You know what? Let me hold it in my hand. Yeah. How much is that? 50.
So there was one more girl, but then when we asked her,
But she was like,
she's like, yeah. Whenever they're nice, we'll pick them up. But guys, we're not showing anybody who is not giving us good customer service for you guys to come be stressed. But yeah, we finished. How much money you spend?
oh, it's 6,550, and then another 500. That goes 7,750. Yeah, 7,750.
Yeah, see how she locked the door so her husband don't hear how much money she just spent out. So we're out here by Piggies. Let's see what my dad's gonna get. But this is the menu. Oh, this is where we are. You can see the waterfront. It's nice out here, nice and cool and breezy.
They ask a question, they don't? They know that.
Guys is asking her why they name Piggies but they don't sell pork. Apparently the owner named Piggy. So yeah, you can say they only sell chicken and beef. See what it looks like on this side. That's all your food?
Why?
Why that's so quick?
How I going around there? Service so fast. How I going?
You want pepper?
Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, that there. That's.
Take it. Thank you. What Piggies is looking like.
You don't give you guys napkin?
They can pass. Okay guys, now we're at Ramtula. Brought you guys into this grocery store before. A few videos back, like when I first started posting. So we're just here to get like essential things that we need right now. You know, we haven't been there for a while, so we don't have any of the basics. For breakfast tomorrow.
Wait, did I buy? Oh, we get it. What do you give me red onion? Because I forgot to buy the half one of white onion.
I didn't know that they had fish.
Fish. And they have snapper in that bag. They have these. You could make
What's
these.
that? What's that in the top? Oh, is that salmon?
Oh, this.
Wow.
Yeah, salmon.
Is that smoked salmon?
Yes. You want
Wow.
for the salmon? What's this? Is this salmon pieces? What is this?
That's what it looks like.
Oh, smoked salmon trimmings.
Oh no, which one's a better deal? We don't know because the one thing about the places around here in Jamaica, guys, in these grocery stores, they do not price the items. You gotta be surprised. It's so annoying. Very rarely do you see the prices underneath anything you're getting. By the way, in country it's actually more expensive because they go to town and buy their produce and then they come back to country and sell it in the grocery stores.
I don't know what type of fish this is.
Okay, because not fish.
Dinner.
Okay.
And I'm not frying it, so then you can fry yours. I'm making steamed fish. I have okra. And I need bani. Oh, some steamed bani. Where's the bani? Yeah, fish ain't gonna have bani.
What?
Chicken seasoning. Or let's get an all-purpose seasoning. How much is in this little bit of all-purpose? Oh, here's fish. Yeah, that's what I need for the fish. Yes. Steam. You have steamed fish too?
I don't know. Maybe both. Okay, you got both.
I
think I'm gonna get coffee because you know I'm a coffee girl. I love my coffee in the morning. But the cream crackers, I don't know how people eat them. They're too tough. Way too tough. The only time I remember liking them was when I was like a kid and we used to dip them in the hot chocolate or something.
Yeah, I like
that
this
was
one with the
And guys, I'm getting the toppers. It's like a popcorn. I thought it was gonna be a Jamaican popcorn, but it's of course Trinidad and Tobago.
What's it?
Very on brand because a lot of the things that you think is a Jamaican snack is actually a Trinidadian snack. Are you gonna be eating oats every day?
Because oats helps to take cholesterol out of your body, extracts cholesterol from your body.
Oh, I've never heard that.
Yes.
Look, Mom, they actually keep the cheese in the fridge. I don't know what's up with like Portland, but a lot of the places, the Chinese grocery stores, they have the cheese. This specific cheese, they have it by cash register. And if I'm eating banana cheese, I want it cold. I don't know what makes them think that you can leave that cheese out like that, but yeah, no. So, trying to find some bami. Somebody found bami.
Yeah.
Oh, why that look like you only have like 2 pieces in it?
There's 8. But they're tiny mini bami. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Oh, and then you can just check the price of that one here.
Done. How much money did you spend though? $12,000. We got the fish and we got everything else. Woo! What a heavy bill. Once again, we're by the beach and it's beautiful over there.
That's like, what, 100 Canadian?
Yeah, it's about 100 Canadian. There's the beach.
And I'm the smoker, we raise the bet. Cause you're the joker, you are the joke. And I could be the blackboard, you can be the top. And I can be the fall, yeah. When the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I just put your pretty little hand.
Chilly, but we're ending the night with a walk. Would y'all want a whole video of it just sitting right here? Listening to the sounds of nature. I don't know, I used to love watching that kind of stuff when I was living abroad, you know. I used to love hearing the sounds.
So you could be exercising in this, in the water.
Yeah.
You know, walk down there, this.
Yeah. I think over here you could jump. Over here you could probably jump in. Right here is a little bit deeper. But you'd have to jump outwards though. Make sure you don't land straight down below. It's so nice out here. Why are you jogging in slow motion? Like, why am I still so close to you?
I'm jogging, not running.
Oh, there's a lot of mother-in-law's tongue right here, eh?
Oh, really?
Just growing wild right there.
I want one for my bedroom.
Yeah, they're right there. You don't have to buy it. Slowest jog I ever seen. I have my activity ring going too, actually, so. Look at that sunset. Wow. Ooh, that's looking nice.
I'm gonna put this fish in after.
And guys, she said the seasoning she would never buy it again. So if you see that seasoning, you can walk past it.
Caribbean Dreams.
Yeah, it was a 0 out of 10 for her.
0 out of 10.
For the chef.
Good thing we had the
Chef
Grace
said no.
cock soup. Good thing
Good
we had
old
some
Grace.
of that. Yeah.
Grace
Was it
always-
Grace? Is this Grace? Yes.
Yeah.
Good thing we had the Grace. And this one is no MSG and 25% less salt.
Grace
So
always comes
this is
to
a
the
good one to
rescue.
get. Yeah. It's a good thing we had this one because those two together made 0. Yeah, they're both crap. I'm gonna throw them both out. This and this. Nothing.
So it was these
It
ones.
was so bad.
She said 0 out of 10.
Caribbean Dreams, come after me. Those were bad.
The pepper, there's a few left, a few stragglers. So my mom has sent me to go get some pepper for the pot that she's doing right now. I'm bringing you guys with me, of course.
Thank you. Nice and thick too. Aren't scale. That's the scale of it.
What?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I completely forgot. The last time I bought one of these from Freshco, I got home, they weren't scale. I'm like, crap. Yeah. I forgot. Smaller knife. Oh, I think they took the guts out.
Oh, they took the guts out? Oh, that's good.
They didn't take the...
What's that, the gills?
Yeah.
Oh, you taking that out? Well, oh, she can't eat that, I guess. Look at her. She's not even looking when something dropped for her.
Yeah. She does it all the time. Yeah, I don't care what. I am enjoying what I'm eating.
Girl?
Oh, so much better. Look at that. Cut like butter.
Oh yeah, that actually worked.
Yeah.
Okay, chef. I didn't even show them how it was tearing out the fish before. Show them the piece that you had. It was like, yeah, it wasn't like cutting clean like the other one. You see that? Yeah. That's the only seasoning you're putting on this?
And then piece of pepper and thyme. Because the water is well seasoned, so you can have enough stuff. Yeah.
So this is the water right now. Very clear, very pretty. This is what it looks like. You can barely see anything. And I usually shower like somewhere over here. Find some rocks to put my bag on. And then shower down here. Oh, right here is a good spot actually. I know this water about to be cold when I step in there. Jeez, So I'm all done, took my shower. See, it's so peaceful. I crossed 2 bridges that we have on the property to get down here. So yeah, it's a good distance from where everybody. So you're just over here by yourself and it's nice and quiet. I thought it was gonna be like freezing cold, but the water is such a good temperature right now. But yeah, time to go eat dinner. Yeah, this is tonight's dinner. I actually don't like steamed fish, but we're about to eat it and hopefully I like it.
Doesn't matter if you are not.
Girl, bye.
When the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine.